This is Zeev, a soldier in the IDF Field Intelligence Corps. His camouflage is so good, you can't even see him. Oh, there he is. In many military operations, combat soldiers use camouflage to disguise themselves, to see but not to be seen. And for this, we have camo paint. How do we apply camo face paint, you ask? This is how it's done. Take two colors, black and green. We'll start with black. Apply the black paint to the high points of the face in the shape of a div. The dark shades ensure the high points of the face, like your nose and eyes, don't stand out. Next, you take the green and apply it in the shape of a 3 on both sides of the face. Blend the paint to cover the whole face so no skin shows. A common mistake is to forget to cover the ears and the neck, but this tutorial didn't forget, and nor will you. Camo face paint paired with the camo suit allows us to disappear among the greenery. Go on, try it yourself.